Ever wondered about the potential of dropshipping in 2024? Is it still a profitable venture? Well, let's dive in and discover. The world of e-commerce has been evolving rapidly, and dropshipping has been riding the wave. In 2024, dropshipping is more accessible and profitable than ever thanks to advancements in technology and the rise of online shopping. For those just starting out or even those looking to scale, dropshipping offers a world of opportunity. With trending topics like dropshipping for beginners and e-commerce trends 2024, it's clear that this business model is in the spotlight. And let's not forget the potential of finding the best niches for dropshipping or the strategies behind scaling your online store. Dropshipping in 2024 isn't just about selling products online. It's about building a successful business that can thrive in the fast-paced, ever-changing world of e-commerce. So how does one tap into this profitable venture? Let's break it down. Dropshipping can seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. First things first, selecting a profitable niche. It's all about being in the know. You need to keep an eye on the latest trends, understand what's selling, and most importantly, identify where you can add value. It could be a product that's trending on TikTok, an innovative solution to a common problem, or a niche hobby that's gaining traction. Remember, the key here is to balance popularity with uniqueness. Next up, setting up your online store. This is where platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce come into play. These platforms make setting up an online store as simple as a few clicks. You don't need a degree in computer science or graphic design. Now, let's talk about finding reliable suppliers. This part can seem tricky, but with a bit of research and due diligence, you can build a network of trustworthy suppliers. Look for suppliers who value quality, have a great reputation, and are willing to build a long-term partnership. Then comes marketing your store. Digital marketing techniques such as social media advertising, influencer partnerships, and search engine optimization are your best friends here. These techniques can help you reach your target audience, build brand awareness, and drive traffic to your store. Last but not least, managing orders and customer service. This is where you ensure that your customers receive their orders on time and are satisfied with their purchase. Streamlining your order fulfillment process and providing excellent customer service can set you apart from your competition and keep your customers coming back for more. With these steps, you're well on your way to a successful dropshipping venture. But what about the tools to help you along the way? The right tools can make all the difference in your dropshipping journey. But be aware, there are challenges too. In the realm of dropshipping, there are a plethora of tools and resources available to streamline operations and optimize store performance. For instance, consider using a platform like Shopify or WooCommerce to set up your online store. These platforms offer a host of features that can help you manage your inventory, process orders, and even handle customer service inquiries. However, like any business venture, dropshipping isn't without its challenges. One of the biggest hurdles is finding reliable suppliers. To overcome this, consider using a supplier directory or reaching out to manufacturers directly to establish long-term partnerships. Another common challenge is effectively marketing your store. Digital marketing techniques such as social media advertising, influencer partnerships, and search engine optimization can be highly effective, but they also require time and effort to master. Armed with the right tools and knowledge of potential challenges, you're ready to dive into the world of dropshipping. Now that you have the know-how, it's time to take action. Picture the potential, the freedom, the exciting possibilities that lay ahead when you start your own dropshipping business. Imagine being at the helm of a thriving online store, navigating the dynamic waves of e-commerce, and reaping the rewards of your hard work. Dropshipping is not just about selling products online. It's about tapping into the limitless potential of the digital world. It's about building something of your own, something that could grow and flourish with time. It's about taking control of your future and making a mark in the booming e-commerce landscape of 2024. The tools are at your fingertips. The knowledge is in your grasp. The opportunity is right here, right now. All it takes is that first step, that leap of faith, that decision to embark on your dropshipping journey. So, what are you waiting for? Start your dropshipping journey today and unlock your potential in the e-commerce world.